right now.
Can we just ban Sweden?
What if you would be in Las Vegas and Battlefield 2? Which
Pineapple on pizza.
Why did I think of Sleeper when I heard that? Can we
That
just
is the
ban Sweden?
third biggest haram in the world.
Candy, don't you have to go to the bathroom?
Fuck, I have hiccups, but yes.
It happens.
Don't you need to clean again?
Yes, cleaning. Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh god.
The hiccups are stalling.
Fuck, I need to go to sleep.
Yeah. No, don't go yet.
I ain't got nothing to do, man.
I have, unfortunately.
I'm very busy.
Wait, I still have.
Ooh, a hype train.
No!
No!
How did that trigger now? What the fuck? Okay, everyone. Any primers in chat? Any oil prints in chat? Any gifters in the chat?
Gift incoming.
Or any person who just wants to support Kandyland?
Any Tesla
Now's your time.
shareholders?
Any Tesla shareholders?
members?
Okay, you have that. You do that. You do that.
Let me get it. Any opens, copy paste.
That's the most amount of free advertisement I will do. Okay.
It's
There it goes.
Oh, Blue, you are easy.
Why did it say I just subscribed when I gifted a sub?
Hey, Blue, didn't you subscribe?
I'm gonna fix it. I'm
Did
gonna
you
fix
upgrade?
it. I promise.
Holy
I
shit.
promise I'll fix it.
X100.
Just go, Candy.
We got this. It's fine.
Yeah, Candy, just go and take a pee, take whatever you want.
Is she going to the bathroom?
With gang members.
Any gang members?
Any gang members?
Subscribers.
Excuse me.
Any ministry members?
Any
CS
Any royal family members.
Any Shark Tank investors.
Any gym investors.
Any hedge
Oil
fund
friends.
investors?
Or friends right here.
By the way,
Well,
if you guys have-
SpaceX.
if you guys have any ideas to add to the thing, let me know and I'll put it into the.
Oh shit.
Oh, shit!
Holy shit. Why?
Joopy.
You gotta say
Stupid.
something, Joopy. You didn't say nothing.
Oil!
Real oil prints right there.
Oil.
Princess
The actual oil
Actual
print
oiler.
is in mod chat.
Holy shit.
Oilers.
Oh my god.
Holy shit.
Jesus Christ, man.
Somebody give that guy a cookie. He deserves it.
The guy is next to you, man.
16 subs from 1400.
Yo, dude, chat, we are literally only 16.
We need some serious gifters in here.
Listen, dude. Chat, I'm telling you, listen, we need some
Yeah,
oil.
listen, dude.
This is shit.
Squad 6685 cheered. X300.
Listen, I'm Middle Eastern, so that makes me automatically an oil
Rich
print.
guy.
But
Oh.
the problem is I'm also a student, so that makes me automatically poor, even though I'm rich as
Oh.
fuck.
So you like average.
Sounds so weird, you know.
It's because she left her headphones right
Yeah.
next to
Yeah,
her.
we don't get the feed directed to the stream.
So it, yeah.
Just be quiet.
Hello? No. Åh nej. Hallå, ni hör ju mig ju! Cancel.
Ska hon börja prata snart eller vad fan är det frågan om?
Jag vet om det, vänta. Hur byter jag?
Candy, you have a level 5 train.
Oh man, she doesn't.
Hej?
Hello.
Hej, vem är du?
Oh my god.
Oh my days, no way you're lying.
How are you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Vad fan hände? You look amazing. You look extravagant right now.
Alltså,
There we go. Candy, why the fuck do you run away?
I just because.
Because.
Pause, champ.
Because.
Hold it.
Because
You mean because usually leads to another part of a sentence?
I don't know. Don't ask me.
Wait.
Yeah, that's true. That's pretty true. Yeah, that's true.
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 Yeah, that's true.
Candy
Yeah, true.
Very true. Yeah, true.
That's a truing.
How's it going? My man.
Going good.
Man.
Which one?
Everybody, I love all of my mens.
you love all of amends?
Yeah.
you.
What is all of amends?
Everybody who ever had a pregnancy scare. I love you.
What?
Pregnancy scare. Pregnancy scare. Pregnancy scare.
Well,
Actually,
I've never
yes,
done it
heads
with
up.
anyone to get a pregnancy scare, but listen,
Still waiting for those.
Torpa, I gotta ask you, how many svenska nubbar do you have left?
What? I have one here. Ronas.
Wait.
4.
You have 4 left. I have 3 left.
Fuck, which one have I missed?
I have Herrgårds Akvavit,
Yeah, I have that one.
Akvavit, and Östgöta Sädes Brännvin.
Yeah, I have those, and I have a best.
They are the only ones I have left, and I'm gonna do all 3 of them right now.
Yeah, I have those, and I have. Oh my god, this will be hard.
Torpa, listen, you gotta man up, man.
Yeah, I need to man up.
Candy,
He passed out earlier. Leave him alone.
you need to.
No, wait, Candy has like 8 left or something.
She has 4. She has 6 left.
Now we're
No, she has
listening.
like
Nope. Now we're listening to honey. We're listening to honey. Wait. Fuck.
To the what?
Honey.
Yep. We're listening.
Honey is nice.
Honey.
Wait, what?
We are listening to them.
What?
God damn it!
That's
I can't find Candy on the right side of the Discord. Damn it! I don't wanna use the Discord
She'll have to go online on Discord.
What happened?
Nothing. Mods are gay. I'll show him who's gay.
Wait.
That's
Wait a
Actually,
minute.
showing him who's gay, that's so...
Okay.
Listen.
Pause, champ.
He still step spams. You can whatever.
Can I ban him?
More like timing now.
Mods, can I ban him for spamming?
I mean, he stopped.
Seriously, but
You're literally spamming yourself saying mods. Can I spam him for spamming?
My silence is
Hey,
telling you that
someone-
you should take the
wait,
decision by
wait.
yourself.
Wait, someone said fuck mods. Do I ban that fucker?
Yeah, you do.
Alright, he's banned.
Wow. that's
No, you don't
quick.
ban him. You time him out for like 24 hours.
Fuck that.
Yeah. Time out.
Ready, guys? Okay, someone else said mods are gay. Oh, wait, everyone said. Oh my god.
That's
Don't
kind of
ban.
your fault, actually.
How do they know?
Mods are wanks.
What are they doing?
It's not that hard, just time out.
fuck
Okay.
mods.
Hold on.
How
Everyone
do they
Time
know
out people now, so I trust
if
in you
we're
guys.
gay?
What?
I don't swing the other. I don't swing the other way, but I'm straight, but I'm not
Still
scaring.
waiting.
There's nothing wrong with calling a moderator a gay, but it's all about how you do it. It's phrasing. Okay?
Okay, let me say this then. I am not gay. I am straight. I am sexually attracted to women, but I'm not scared being next to
Yeah.
gay guys.
But it's not how you interpret what the person is striking me. It's how the person is typing it in general. That's that
I
matters.
saw it as an insult, so
Honestly, let me tell you one thing. Oh my fucking god, who made these fucking rules up? I'm gonna fucking kill them.
It's probably you.
No, I didn't
probably
make
you.
those rules. I did not make those rules. I'm so angry. Who made those rules?
Can we please have a discussion here? What rules to start with?
rules?
What rules are we
Boys,
talking
it doesn't matter. Fuck the rules. Fuck it all, right? Fuck it.
Do you mean the general
what
rules?
she said.
No,
I think the DMCA rules.
No, not those rules.
Or do you mean the pregnancy rules or the marriage?
Wait.
rules?
There are pregnancy
The
rules?
gender rules? What do you mean?
all of
You
the
mean-
all of the rules. All of the
Who made
rules.
the rules?
rules.
Who made
All
all
the
of the
rules in
rules?
the world.
Can that Slim Shady please stand up?
I can't stand up, man. I cannot stand up right now because I'm about to pour this last shot I have.
I'm gonna make my own country.
Torpa and
it's
Candy, I
amazing.
don't know if you're gonna drink, but I still have Östgötasädes brännvin, herrgårdsakvavit och läcka.
Wait, which one? Östergötas?
Oh my god.
Östgöta, not Östergöta.
Toronto's
And
finest
she
cheer.
said she's going to do only
X100.
shots.
Please marry me. Please
Oh my
marry
god.
me.
There's
me.
actually one more. Oh
Please marry
fuck.
me.
Wait, what? What the
A
fuck?
few more bottles, you mean?
Östergötas,
Yeah, I see it.
Söders
I haven't heard
brännvin.
it.
Okej, alla, om jag skulle, vänta. Om det skulle hända att jag blev...
Okej. Hör ni ljudet?
Jo, vänta, vem är Torpa, alla andra. Om det skulle hända att jag blev bannad idag för resten av mitt liv, kan det inte bara komma till min Discord då, så kan vi bara hänga. Alltså, jag lovar jag hade klarat mig.
Gäller det bara Torpa eller resten av oss också, eller?
Nej, allihopa.
Eller resten av er.
Resten så...
Ja.
Och jag Emma, jag hade ryckt upp.
Jag hade ryckt upp också.
Ja, bra.
För att vara helt ärlig, jag har inte så mycket av ett liv. Just nu för att...
Jag har ett liv, men jag vill fortfarande dyka upp.
Jag har ett liv också, men mitt jobb, så alla är på semester så man kan inte göra så mycket just nu. Så
Ja. Fuck. Jag vet inte om jag borde dricka något mer, vänta.
Emma, det är bara att dricka. Om vad som än händer. Om du vill ju offra allting för det du tror
Jag
på.
är inte säker jag vill dryga upp den här jäveln, men vi har ett försök på den.
Torpa, kom igen.
Jag tar till gummi.
Jag hade tuggummi
Det
för
kommer inte smaka bättre efter tuggummit, kan jag i alla fall lova dig.
Lyssna, jag ska hälla upp
Alkohol reagerar jävligt illa med tuggummina. Det smakar
Gör det?
jävel. Ja, det bränner i käften på dig.
Det blir bara
Eller
värre.
det kan vara eukalyptusen i och för sig om det är typ sånt i, men det brukar inte vara gott i alla fall.
Beror på vad vilken tuggummi du äter för.
Så fort jag är färdig här i alla fall så kommer jag fan att borsta tänderna i alla fall, kan jag säga, men nej. Inte just det, men nu.
Extra. Jag har inte extra, men jag har i alla fall tuggummi.
Nej, jag har flux.
Jag har inte flux.
Flux-tuggummin är fan
har
svinnice.
det?
Flux-tuggummin är fan skitnice.
Jag fick det gratis från mitt apotek. Jag bara wow, tack så mycket.
De är skitbra på riktigt.